Good morning. It's Matt down here at the tech office. And lately I've been noticing a strange thing happening. Let me show you. I'm finding staff users attached to the Guest wireless network. Take a look here. Here's John Caruth. All right, here's Janelle down in HR. Like so, here's Nikki at the tech office. So here's the bad news. The Guest network is both slower because you're in with the students rather than on the separate staff connection. It's also more heavily filtered than the staff connection.
Why can't I get to my face?
So here's the problem. If you go into your system preferences and you go into network, and here we are in Wi-Fi, and you can see I'm on GuestWLAN here, and you go into this button down here that says Advanced, your laptop remembers everywhere you've ever been and every wireless access point you've ever connected to, your entire history, kind of like that one friend you had in college. And it will try those networks sequentially from the very top. So my laptop will try to attach to GuestWLAN before it attaches to StaffWLAN whenever it sees it. Now the fix is very easy. You can click and hold and move StaffWLAN to the very top. Just make sure no matter where you've been that StaffWLAN is at the very top of this list. Go ahead and click OK and then Apply. You'll have to manually change it this time, but in the future it should jump onto StaffWLAN whenever it's... And it's that simple. Happy computing. Have a great day.